Now we'll learn about inserting in a binary search tree. How to insert. Suppose I want to insert a key value 38. So by using this example binary search tree, let us learn how to insert 38. So the first step for insertion is search for key value 38. If this 38 is already present in binary search tree, then we should not insert it. We should not insert it. So first of all, find out whether it is there or not there. So for that, we have to search. So the first step is search, and already we know how to search for a key. Let us repeat the process and search for this 38. So we will start searching from here. So I am taking a pointer T and let us start searching for 38. 38 key, is it equal? No, it's greater than this one. So move T on the right hand side. Okay. Then 40, 38. 38, is it equal? No, 38 is smaller than that one. So move T on the left hand side. 35, 38, is it equal? No, 38 is greater than this one. So move T upon right hand side. So T became null. So T became null, the element is not there. 38 is not there in binary search tree. So we can insert it. So where it should get inserted? See, we were searching for 38 and we have terminated here. So it means this was the place of 38. If suppose 38 is there in the linked list, if suppose 38 is there in a binary search tree, then it must be there. It is greater than 38 and less than 40. So it should be as a right child of 35. So yes, insert it at the same place. Okay, let us insert it. So I should create a new node and link it with right child of 35. That's it. So it can be inserted. But for linking with the right child of 35, I need a pointer on 35. Do I have a pointer on 35? No. T actually became null. Now for inserting 38, I should create a new node and link it as a right child of 35. That's it. It will be inserted. So we need a pointer on 35 also. So for this, we can have a tail pointer. So let us use a tail pointer. So I'll again search for 38 along with the tail pointer. Let us start. T is pointing here and R is also one more pointer, that is null. Is it matching? No, this is greater. So move T on right side, but before that bring R here and move T on right side. Is it matching with 40? No, 38 is less. So bring R upon T and move T to left child. Is it matching with 35 and 38? They are matching? No, 38 is greater. Should be on right side. So bring R upon this node and move T to the right child. Now T became null. T became null means element is not there. We can insert it. Where? Right child of 35. Who will help now? Pointer R will help. So we need a tailing pointer. Otherwise, we should again search from the root. So the procedure is similar to search. Only thing we need is tailing pointer, and if T became null, create and insert a node. That's all. So I will write down the procedure. So insert function, pointer to root, T is a pointer to root and the key that we want to insert. So for this we need a tail pointer. So I will declare a pointer R, which will be initially null. I have to just search for the key, right? Search for the key. So for searching, we need a loop, that is T is not equal to null. Then we have to check and move T. But before that, R should come upon T. Then check if key is equal to T's data. If it is matching means key element is already there. So don't do anything, just return. So even if you have void, you can say return. Return will just stop the function. If match is found, don't have to insert. Else, if key is less than T's data, then move T on left child. Else, move T upon right child. This process will continue. Either if the key is already found, it will stop. If the key is not found, T will become null and stop, and where R will be upon the node just before T. So using R, we have to link a new node. So first of all, create a new node and insert it there. So when we can do if T has become null and it has came out of the loop. So for creating a node, I need one more pointer. So I'll take a pointer name as P. Then here I will write on the code. So here I have created a new node and also set the data, that is key value, and made left and right child as null. So this all I have done using pointer P. So I'll just remove T here and create a new node with the help of pointer P, enter the key and make this as null. So these are the steps I have done. Then this P should be linked as a left child or right child. So I should check it again, right? As per my example, it comes as a right child, but before linking, I should check it. So if this key is less than T's data, it should come as left child. Otherwise, it should come as right child. So here I will write on the code. If P's data is less than R's data, then R's left child should be P. Otherwise, else R's right child should be P. So check once again and connect it. So this will be connecting to this one as a right child. That's all. So insertion is more like searching only. So the time for inserting is order of log n only. That is height of a binary search tree. For creating entire binary search tree, I should first of all create root. Then rest of the keys I can insert them by using this function. So next let us see, we will take some key values and learn how to create a binary search tree by inserting the keys one by one.